Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup taste better updated. Start by tasting the soup and noting if it needs salt, acid, or richness. Sauté onions and garlic in a little oil, then stir them in. Add a splash of vinegar or lemon for brightness, a pinch of sugar if too acidic, and finish with fresh herbs or cream for warmth and texture. This section focuses on simple boosts you can add right away. Use a small splash of vinegar or lemon juice to brighten the whole pot. Stir in a teaspoon of soy sauce or a smear of miso for instant umami depth. Add a pat of butter or a drizzle of olive oil to round flavors, and sprinkle chopped herbs like parsley or chives before serving for freshness. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker and enjoy hands-free timers, music, or recipes while you cook, which makes flavor experiments more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you love kitchen gadgets, this is a nice pick. Now let's get back to the video. Texture changes can make canned soup feel homemade and satisfying. Stir in cooked rice, small pasta, or a splash of cream to thicken and enrich the body. Crisp toppings like bacon, croutons, or toasted seeds add a pleasant crunch contrast. For a silkier mouthfeel, blend a portion of the soup and return it to the pot, keeping some chunks for interest and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.